Good soup. Hey everyone, Mark here and welcome to my kitchen. I'm a home cook that, well, loves to cook. And if you love it too, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're gonna make an asparagus soup. It's so easy, like really easy, and it's pretty quick too. And the end result is a nice, delicious, creamy asparagus soup. And there's no cream in it and no cheese. Can you believe it? A recipe, me, no cheese? Yeah, I know, it's weird, but I'm weird. So let's make some soup. Okay, so grab 2 bunches of asparagus and then grab 2 spears and play the drums like you're Neil Peart, Keith Moon, Questlove, whoever your favorite drummer is. You know the drill when picking asparagus. Make sure that the head of the asparagus are nice and tight and not all frayed. And now we can snap, peel, or cut the ends off however you like. I like cutting up from the bottom until it's soft, and then that way you get the most out of your asparagus. And like always, use the ends for stalks. This step is optional, but cut a few tips off for garnish. We'll fry those up later. Next, finely chop up 1 medium sweet onion, place in a bowl and set aside. And then we're gonna finely chop up 3 cloves of garlic, place in a bowl and set aside. Grab 2 medium-sized Yukon Gold potatoes and peel and cut into small pieces. This will help speed up the cooking time. You know what I'm about to say. Once done, place in a bowl and set aside. In a large pot on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a 1/4 cup of butter. Add the onions and garlic, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Saute for about 10 minutes or until the onions are soft and fragrant. Add our potatoes and saute for another 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add our asparagus and 4 to 5 cups of chicken stock. You can go with vegetable stock as well. And then we're gonna cover and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. While that's going on, we can saute those asparagus tips that we were gonna use for garnish in a pan on medium heat, just a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and saute until tender. And then just remove and set aside. All right, so the soup looks done. We don't wanna overcook the asparagus because the soup can turn like a murky gray and well, it won't look appetizing unless you want gray soup, but I don't suggest that. So just keep an eye on it while you're simmering. Once the potatoes and asparagus are soft, like this, we can blend away in a blender or with an immersion blender like I'm using. Now we can move on to our next step, but I'm gonna show you something that is optional, but I highly suggest you do. But if you're running out of time, you can skip it, it's not a big deal. Just grab another bowl and place a fine mesh strainer in it, and then pour the soup into that strainer and strain all the fibrous asparagus out like this. You will be left with the remnants of the asparagus, and below will be a cleaner and smoother soup. Place your strained soup back into the pot and add a squeeze of lemon juice and as much cayenne pepper as you can handle, and then stir for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then serve it up. Asparagus soup. The soup is good. Plus, it's quick and easy to make. The asparagus isn't overshadowed by a ton of other ingredients, so it really shines through. And the potatoes really make it creamy. I'd say this is another great meal idea. But is soup a meal? I mean, that Seinfeld episode is pretty funny. Kenny Banya. Kenny Banya. But whatever you think, give this recipe a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.